Hi y'all! Okay, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ivy the African Mom. So I'm so happy to be here today. I know I've been away for a long time. So this is what happened. So in February, I lost my sister and I buried her. We buried her in March. And February, March, April, May, June, I'm still going crazy. I've been broken, I've been hurt. But I said, no, today I have to come on here. I'm going to make lasagna for dinner. And I said, okay, why don't I ask my daughter to film me so you guys can see a simple and fast how to make lasagna. I'm not myself, but I'm just trying hard. 3 days ago, one of my cousins called me and we talked, and I opened up to her. I told her what was going on with me. She said, why aren't you making videos anymore? Then I told her about my sister and, you know, on and on. And then she said, no way. She talked to me and she made me feel better. And then today I just got up. She doesn't even know I'm making this video. She'll be happy and shocked that, you know, just talking to me just like that. 3 days. Today is the 4th day, and then I'm doing this for you guys. So come on, let's make this lasagna happen. These are all the stuff we'll be needing for the lasagna today: ground beef, cheese, lasagna pasta, sauce, tomato sauce, ricotta cheese, garlic, pepper, some salt, and cube. That's all we need for today. I forgot we're going to need onion, green pepper, and cilantro. Cut it like you are shredding it. I like it like this to use it to stir fry the ground beef. So we have our water for the pasta, and we're going to need a little oregano inside the water, and then little salt, just little, and then you add some little oil so the pasta doesn't stick together, just little. You have to wait for your pasta water to boil before you add the pasta into it. So I'm going to make 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12. So now we're going to start to brown the beef, and then add the sauce, mix it, and then we'll mix the ricotta cheese, and then and then I'll show you how to lay it, right? We lay it. Yeah, so little oil, and it has to heat first. Now we're going to brown the onion, and some garlic. Yeah, for that kind of mix, I think this is enough. The ground beef, you need to cook it well. let it brown, and then you can add a little water to cook it to make it a little soft before you add the sauce. And then we can add the green pepper. We're making a delicious one. And next I have to cut my cilantro and add it. Our pasta is done. You have to make it half and half because it's going to cook again in the oven. So just half and half, okay? Next you add some black pepper, okay? Black pepper. And then we're going to add our Maggi. Like that. It's good. You can add a little more. Yeah. And then now the last is salt. Not too much salt. Just little. Yeah, like that. It's good. And still I add a little oregano. Guys, I added a little water to the meat, so it has to cook well and then stir fry, and then I'll add my sauce, okay? Because the meat is a little hard, so you need to cook it a little bit. Yeah. See the view? What do you see here, guys? What do you see? So with the ricotta cheese, it's a little thick. You see, it's a little thick. So I want to add some little milk to loosen it. So guys, I just found out my ricotta cheese is not enough, so I'm going to run fast to the store and get one more and come back, okay? So I just got my pack of cheese. I'm going to add some, and this is my ground beef. It's almost ready. Yeah, it's ready. So I'm going to go ahead and pour the sauce inside. Last time I made lasagna and I have some half sauce left. I took the traditional and then I took the roasted garlic, so half. And then I'm going to open the new one and add half. Please, at this point, when you brown your beef and everything, you don't add water anymore. When you add the sauce, that is it. You don't have to add water. There's no water. You can use water to cook the beef to make it soft, and that is it. I'm just going to add half of this one too, and I think we have enough. Yeah. In all, for 12 lasagna pastas, I used 1.5 bottle. This was half, so it's 1. And then I added half of this one because it's a lot of pasta. So now it's ready. You don't need it to boil or anything because you're going to spread it on the pasta and you're going to put it back in the oven to cook. So it's okay like this. Everything is ready now, so we're going to be putting the lasagna in the oven to bake. Okay, bye-bye. Cook well. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please, if you do, please like, comment, and share. Thank you. See you in my next video.